Hey Starseeds, so today Greg and I are going to be giving you yet another healthy vegan recipe. This is going to be a sweet potato pie that is super delicious and something that you can make for your guests and also your family on Christmas Day. There's no flour in this recipe, it's just made from nuts and also some sweet potato and a few other ingredients that are pretty healthy compared to a lot of other Christmas desserts. So the first time I tried this recipe, I was in New York City. Greg and I were in New York City living with Chris Byers, who's a friend of ours. If you want to check him out, his Instagram is Chris Byers Jazz, and he is a health coach, a wonderful vegan, a wonderful human being, and I hope you guys check him out. So let's get into the video. So this recipe is split up into two parts. It's the crust and the filling, and it's very easy to make. So let's get started with the crust. So we are starting off with our flax eggs. So we are putting 2 tablespoons of flax meal into 5 tablespoons of water, and then just stir it and let it thicken. We're gonna add into our food processor a cup of oats, 1 cup of pecans, a pinch of sea salt. So we're gonna process all these ingredients up and then add our flax egg. So you're gonna go ahead and add your flax egg and process once again. So I have a small round cake form here lined with some parchment paper, and now I'm just going to take my crust and place it into the cake form. As you can see, the dough is nice and sticky and is gonna make for a great crust once baked. So you're just gonna press down, and also, if you like, up the sides as well. And I like using a cup to make things easier. For those of you who watched my raw vegan avocado chocolate tart, I make that the same way. I make the crust the same way. I use the cup and I just press down, and it makes my life a lot easier. So our crust is ready, and we're gonna set this aside because we are going to make the filling. So we're adding into our food processor 2 3/4 cup of cooked sweet potatoes, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a good pinch of sea salt, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and a 1/2 cup of vegan milk. I'm using soy milk. So we're gonna process this until smooth and delicious. So this is the consistency you want. And now we're gonna place it into our crust. So just place it all inside. Oh yeah, delicious. So you're just gonna smooth it out with a spatula. Make sure it's nice and even. And then we are going to bake this baby for 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so our sweet potato pie is ready. It's been baking for about 35 minutes, and now it's out of the oven, and I waited for about 20 minutes so that it cools down, because now we are going to decorate our sweet potato pie. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, if you press down on it, it's a little bit soft, and that's totally normal. But the agar powder really does its job in hardening up the pie. So I've got some coconut cream here, and I'm just going to pipe it onto the pie. So we just finished frosting our pie, and now we're going to further decorate it. So we're just sprinkling on some grated chocolate in the center. So our sweet potato pie is ready to be served. Now usually I do cut into the cakes or pies or whatever it is that I'm making for you guys, but this time I'm not, because this is actually going to be saved for my guests for tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe to our channel, because we're here every single Wednesdays and Sundays giving you amazing plant-based recipes. See you later.